Are you ready to meet the future of smartphones? The Realme GT 7 Pro has officially launched in India, and it's packing some serious power. Let's break down what makes this device one of the most exciting flagships of 2024. First up, let's talk about that jaw-dropping display. The Realme GT 7 Pro features a massive 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution. But here's the kicker. It boasts a 6,500 nit peak brightness, the brightest display on any smartphone. That's over double what the Galaxy S24 Ultra can achieve. Whether you're out in the sun or in a dark room, this display ensures your content always looks vivid and sharp. And with a 120Hz refresh rate and 120% DCI-P3 color gamut, your visuals will be as smooth as they are colorful. Now let's talk performance. The GT 7 Pro is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the most capable chipset of 2024. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and the ability to expand it virtually to 28 GB, this phone can handle anything you throw at it, from heavy gaming to multitasking. It's supported by a massive VC cooling system, ensuring sustained performance without overheating. But what about the camera? The 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope portrait lens takes stunning photos with incredible detail, and with its 3x zoom, it lets you capture professional-level portraits. You also get a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for those crisp selfies. Plus, it supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, bringing cinematic quality to your videos. And don't forget the underwater mode, perfect for those who like to capture stunning shots in extreme conditions. The Realme GT 7 Pro comes with a 5800 mAh battery, giving you all-day power with ease, even with that bright display and powerful processor. And when you need to recharge, just plug it in for 120-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. In just a few minutes you'll be back up and running. Perfect for those on the go. And now, the best part, pricing. The 12GB plus 256GB variant will be available for 59,999 rupees, and can be yours for 56,999 rupees as part of an introductory offer. The 16GB plus 512GB version is priced at 62,999 rupees. It will be available for sale starting November 29th. But you can pre-book it now with a 1,000 rupee deposit. So, is the Realme GT 7 Pro the smartphone you've been waiting for? With its game-changing display, flagship-level performance, and top-tier camera system, it's certainly a device that punches well above its weight. Don't miss out on this powerhouse.